If you're working in a small garage, basement, or apartment workshop, controlling dust isn't just about keeping things clean, it's about creating a safer, healthier, and more efficient workspace. In this video, we're counting down 10 compact dust collection solutions that deliver powerful performance without taking up valuable floor space. From portable dust collectors and wall-mounted systems to Cyclone separators and versatile hose kits, these smart tools can help capture fine dust, improve air quality, and keep your woodworking shop running smoothly, no matter how limited your space may be. Number 1. Ever finish a project, then see dust everywhere? Workbenches, floors, even your tools get buried fast. Sweeping again and again starts feeling endless. That's where Wen makes cleanup feel a lot easier. Meet the EDC 3401 Rolling Dust Collector. It packs a brushed 7 amp motor for real power. Inside, a 6-inch impeller moves up to 660 CFM. That means stronger airflow for faster dust pickup. Connect your favorite tools through the 4-inch dust port. It fits right into most woodworking setups. The compact body keeps your shop space open, and at just £17, it's easy to move. Built-in carrying handle makes transport feel simple. Locking swivel casters keep it steady while you work. Need a permanent setup? Mount it on the wall. That optional wall mount saves even more floor space. The 12-gallon bag helps collect plenty of debris, so you spend less time emptying, more time building. Routine upkeep stays simple with easy-access carbon brush caps. Now pair it with the Wen Universal Dust Extractor Hose. The 4-inch by 10-foot hose gives you great reach. Its clear body helps you spot blockages quickly. Flexible grooves make routing around tools much easier. And the heavy-duty build helps resist leaks and tears. Together, they keep your workspace cleaner and healthier. Less dust in the air means a better workday. Less mess on the floor means faster cleanup too. For woodworkers, carpenters, and DIYers, that's a smart upgrade. Wen delivers solid performance without complicating your setup. If your shop needs better dust control, this is it. Bring home the Wen Dust Collector and Hose today. Make your workspace cleaner, easier, and ready for more. Number 2. Dust clouds rise until one smart setup changes everything. Meet the Dust Right Stacking Adapter Set and FlexiPort Kit, a compact duo built for serious woodworking cleanup. 3 adapters, endless connections, no more mismatched hoses. Snap smaller hoses into bigger systems with confidence, or combine adapters for even broader compatibility. From 4-inch down to precision tool-sized ports. Every fit feels custom, clean, and securely locked. Then the FlexiPort hose stretches from 3 feet to 12. Switch tools fast with Click Connect technology. No wrestling, no rerouting, just instant transitions. Move from sander to saw in seconds. From router to circular saw, dust stays controlled. 4 swiveling ports keep the hose flowing smoothly. Cinching clamps hold tight and reduce annoying tangles. Your workspace stays open, organized, and easier to manage. Built from glass-reinforced polypropylene for workshop durability, strong enough for repeated use, day after day. Lightweight enough for easy setup and compact storage. This is dust control made smarter, not harder. Cleaner cuts begin with better collection at the source. Less dust in the air, more focus on the craft. Perfect for woodworkers who demand flexibility and speed. Ideal for DIYers upgrading home shop performance. Reliable enough for contractors who need efficient job site cleanup. A small upgrade with a huge workshop impact. Tidy tools, cleaner surfaces, and better breathing room. Transform dust collection into a seamless part of every cut. Upgrade your setup and feel the difference immediately. Choose Dust Right today. Cleaner woodworking starts here. Number 3. When sawdust flies, a clean shop still feels possible. Every cut begins with hope, not another messy cleanup. For woodworkers, a tidy workspace feels like quiet pride. For DIYers, less dust means more time creating. This Dust Right kit turns cleanup into confidence. The expandable hose stretches from 3 feet to 12. Click Connect lets you switch tools quickly and smoothly. No wrestling, no wasted moments, just steady momentum. 4 FlexiPorts fit different power tools with ease. Each connector seals snugly for cleaner, tighter collection. The flexible hose keeps moving without tangling your work. It stays out of the way while you create. From miter saws to sanders, dust stays under control. That means cleaner cuts and calmer, more focused work. The Cyclone separator captures debris before it reaches your vacuum. Your filter stays protected, and maintenance feels lighter. Less clogging means more reliable performance every day. The 36-inch FlexForm hose adds effortless, flexible reach. The 10-gallon translucent bucket shows fullness at a glance. Emptying becomes simple, quick, and surprisingly satisfying. Twice the capacity helps you work longer with fewer stops. That extra room matters in busy shops and garages. Each part is designed to support your craft, because your tools deserve cleaner air and better flow, and your hands deserve a smoother, easier workflow. This system brings order back to every dusty project. It protects your vacuum, your shop, and your time. It helps every cut feel more professional and peaceful. Build with less mess and enjoy every finished detail. Choose Dust Right and make cleanup feel like relief. Bring home better dust control for the work you love. Number 4. Tired of dust flying everywhere while you work? Messy benches slow you down and make cleanup exhausting. Short hoses limit movement and keep tools constantly tugged. Changing between tools can waste time and interrupt focus. Loose fittings may slip off right when you need control. Sanding dust often leaves swirl marks and rough finishes. Cluttered shop air makes every project feel harder. This Dust Right FlexiPort hose kit solves all that. Its expandable hose stretches from 3 feet to 12. That gives you a wider working range instantly. Move freely around saws, sanders, and other tools. The Click Connect system makes tool changes fast and easy. Just click in, work, then switch without hassle. You get a secure connection with every tool swap. 4 FlexiPorts fit a wide range of dust outlets. Adjustable clamps help keep each connection tight and steady. That means fewer disconnects during demanding workshop tasks. The lightweight hose reduces strain on your tools and hands. It is easier to handle and simpler to store. A compact setup keeps your workspace organized and efficient. The suction control ring lets you fine-tune airflow easily. That helps reduce swirl marks during sanding work. You get cleaner dust capture for better finishing results. Use it with shop vacuums, table saws, and more. It adapts to your workflow instead of slowing it down. Every feature is built for smoother, cleaner woodworking. Less dust means better visibility and more comfortable projects. More control means faster setup and fewer frustrating interruptions. Cleaner air and cleaner surfaces make every job better. Upgrade your workshop with reliable dust collection today. Work cleaner, move easier, and finish stronger. Number 5. Ever sweep your garage? Then watch dust explode everywhere again. My shop vacuum used to clog after every messy project. I was tired of stopping mid-cut to unclog everything. Fine dust coated my tools, shelves, and even the floor. Woodworking felt slower, dirtier, and way more frustrating than it should. Then one late-night scroll changed everything for me. I stumbled onto the Oneida Dust Deputy Low Pro Deluxe lid. Instantly, I saw this wasn't just another shop accessory. The low-profile Cyclone design caught my attention right away. Just 4 inches tall, it slips under benches easily. That meant no more awkward storage headaches in my workspace. But the real game changer? Up to 99.9% dust separation. That level of performance sounded seriously impossible for a compact kit. I had to try it immediately. The clear 5-gallon bucket made monitoring ridiculously easy. I could see fill levels at a glance instantly. Mounted casters gave it stability and effortless mobility too. The hose storage slots kept everything organized and ready. Setup was simple with the included adapter and hose. My vacuum finally stayed powerful instead of choking on debris. Dust, shavings, drywall mess, and pet hair got separated fast. Cleanup became smoother, faster, and way less annoying. My garage looked cleaner, and my vacuum worked harder. That meant fewer clogs and less maintenance every week. Honestly, it felt like upgrading my whole workshop instantly. If your setup keeps fighting dust, why keep struggling? Why waste time emptying clogs when you can prevent them? This is the upgrade your workspace has been waiting for. Ready to make cleanup easier and your vacuum unstoppable? Grab the Oneida Dust Deputy Low Pro Deluxe lid now. Number 6. Tired of dust clouds taking over your workshop? Fine dust keeps slipping through and landing everywhere. Clogged filters slow your collector and weaken suction. More cleaning means more time lost from real work. That constant mess makes every project feel harder. Meet the SuperDust Deputy XL Cyclone attachment. It captures 99% of dust before reaching the collector. Large debris and fine particles get separated first. Your filter stays cleaner, longer, and more efficient. Suction loss becomes far less of a problem. The 6-inch DIY Cyclone fits many 3 to 5 HP collectors. Works with Delta, Grizzly, Harbor Freight, Jet, and more. Installation stays simple with included gasket and hardware. Its lightweight, compact design saves setup time. You upgrade your system without complicated modifications. Static dissipative construction helps reduce harmful charge buildup. Industrial plastic resists abrasions in demanding shop conditions. That means dependable performance for daily workshop use. Less debris reaching your collector means fewer cleanings. Fewer cleanings also means lower maintenance costs. Filters last longer, helping you save money over time. Your dust collector works stronger for longer periods. The workspace stays cleaner and healthier to breathe. You spend more time building, less time managing dust. It is a smart upgrade for serious woodworkers. DIYers will appreciate the fast, straightforward installation. Shop users get reliable separation in a compact footprint. Choose cleaner airflow and better dust collection today. Protect your collector, your filters, and your workflow. A small upgrade can make a big difference. Number 7. Dust clouds rise then vanish like magic in seconds. Meet the Dust Deputy DIY, the shop vac's secret weapon. Oneida Air Systems turns chaos into clean, powerful control. Watch debris spin away before it ever touches the filter. Neutral vane technology boosts separation with 20% more efficiency. That means stronger suction, even during heavy cleanup jobs. Sawdust, drywall dust, concrete dust gone before clogging starts. The Cyclone captures up to 99.9% of debris. Your vacuum filter stays cleaner, longer, and far more effective. Less clogging means less downtime on the job. Less cleaning means more time actually getting work done. From workshops to garages, it fits your workflow. Compatible with most wet, dry vacuums and hose sizes, tapered 2-inch ports create a secure, reliable connection. Dust Deputy handles wood chips, flour, ash, and more. Even pet hair, metal shavings, and fine mineral dust. Built for woodworkers who need cleaner air and cleaner cuts. Built for contractors who can't afford suction loss. Built for DIYers who want pro-level dust control. The anti-static design supports safer, smarter, everyday use. Made in America, engineered for tough, real-world demands. DIY means you build the system your way. Use your own bin, hose, and custom setup. Simple parts, powerful results, endless workshop possibilities. See the separator pull mess out before it spreads. Watch the filter stay clear while suction stays strong. That's smarter dust collection without expensive replacement bags. No gimmicks, just proven Cyclone performance that delivers daily. Upgrade your vacuum into a cleaner, stronger system. Choose Dust Deputy DIY and take control of dust. Cleaner filters, better suction, longer life, right from the start. Number 8. Tired of sawdust covering every corner of your shop? Cleaning after every cut slows down real woodworking time. Fine dust also hangs in the air longer than expected. That means less comfort, more mess, and constant frustration. The POWERTEC wall-mounted dust collector solves that quickly. Its compact design saves valuable floor space immediately. Mount it on the wall, workbench, or even floor. Installation is simple with the included bracket and hardware. The 1 HP induction motor delivers dependable shop power. With 560 CFM airflow, dust gets captured at the source. Attach the 4-inch hose directly to your machine. That means less cleanup after every sanding or cutting job. The vortex space improves airflow and reduces turbulence, so more dust moves efficiently into the collection bag. You get up to 10% better performance over comparable models. The 1-micron bag helps trap finer particles for cleaner air. A built-in window makes dust level checks easy. And the bottom zipper makes emptying fast and simple. No complicated setup, no wasted space, no dusty air. Just a cleaner, calmer, more organized woodworking environment. Dual voltage support gives flexibility for different shop setups. The built-in grate helps protect the impeller from debris. That adds confidence during everyday workshop use. For small shops, hobbyists, and woodworkers, it fits perfectly. You spend less time cleaning and more time creating. Your tools stay clearer and your workspace stays safer. Your air feels cleaner and your workflow feels smoother. This is practical dust control without taking over your shop. POWERTEC brings efficient collection in a compact, reliable design. Upgrade your workshop and keep every project cleaner from start. Number 9. Ever sweep the shop, then see dust everywhere again? Woodworking cleanup should not feel like another full-time job. Sawdust on benches, in corners, even drifting back into the air. That's when a strong dust collector really starts to matter. Meet the BUCKTOOL 1 HP wall mount dust collector. Built for woodworkers who want power without the hassle. Its TEFC induction motor is durable and maintenance-free. It also runs lower noise than many brushless motors, so you can work with less distraction every day. With 1 horsepower and 6.5 amps, it means business. The steel impeller delivers a strong 550 CFM airflow. That helps pull sawdust fast from your workstation. From sanders to saws, debris gets captured more efficiently. Less floating dust means a cleaner, healthier shop space. It can mount on the wall to save floor space, or roll it where needed with the built-in wheels. The brake helps keep it steady while you work. That flexibility is perfect for changing workshop layouts. And the 49-foot remote control makes operation effortless. You can switch it on without walking across the shop. That small convenience adds up during busy projects. For even better performance, pair it with the 2-micron bag. It helps capture finer dust for a cleaner result. The setup feels practical, solid, and ready for real use. If you're a DIYer, shop owner, or serious woodworker, this dust collector brings convenience and dependable power together. It keeps your workspace cleaner and your workflow smoother. Less mess, less effort, more time to focus on making. Upgrade your shop with BUCKTOOL today. Tap to learn more and make dust control easier. Number 10. The workshop is quiet until the first saw screams. Golden dust blooms in the air like a storm cloud. The vacuum roars, but the mess keeps coming. A tired filter chokes, slowing the whole job down. Then a low-profile orange lid appears on the bucket. Dustopper Pro transforms the ordinary pail into control. Its patented design won innovation at the hardware show. Fine Woodworking called the new Dustopper Pro the favorite. This system is engineered for separation, not just airflow. It cuts dust before it ever reaches the vacuum. Inside, swirling debris drops away with focused precision. The clean air continues forward, smoother and stronger. No more constant filter clogging during demanding projects. No more expensive bags disappearing after every cleanup. Each pass now feels faster, cleaner, and smarter. A leak-proof EPDM gasket seals tightly to standard pails. It arrives pre-installed, ready, with no assembly hassles. Just place it on a 5-gallon bucket and go. 2 high-flow sweep elbows are included in the kit. They reduce turbulence and help maintain powerful flow. Even other dust collection setups benefit from this engineering. Built for wet, dry vacuums with at least 5 horsepower. Made in the USA, it feels solid and dependable. For woodworkers, contractors, and DIYers, control changes everything. The shop stays cleaner. The vacuum works easier. Dust settles where it belongs, not inside your machine. Your tools keep moving, and your pace stays sharp. Less waste, less downtime, more work finished right. When the dust rises again, Dustopper Pro is ready. Upgrade your cleanup, save your filters, own the mess. Those were our top 10 compact dust collection solutions for small woodworking shops and apartment workspaces. Whether you're upgrading from a basic shop vacuum or building a complete dust management system, the right setup can improve cleanliness, protect your tools, and create a healthier environment for every project. If you found this roundup helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow woodworkers looking to maximize their workspace with practical, space-saving solutions.